Now, these are some steps which are going to be useful for you to implement quality management system in your process. Step 1: Decision making and commitment. Here you decide what needs to be achieved and take commitment from the leadership and everyone in the organization. Then in step 2, you create a team for QMS implementation and management representative. This team needs to have qualified personnels to whom have a good knowledge of QMS. Then in step 3, you arrange an employee awareness training and all the employees regarding the quality objectives and policies. Then in step 4, we perform a gap analysis or a assessment where we try to understand if everyone has understood the objectives and policies to achieve and adhere. Then step 5 talks about implementation planning, where we plan the process of implementation of QMS. In step 6, we create and maintain the documentation for the same. In step 7, we review and release the documents. Step 8 talks about implementation of QMS, where we train the employees on the same. Then in step 9, we select the quality system registrar who will do our external audit. Then in step 10, we prepare and train our teams for internal auditor and commence the same. After the audits, we discuss the findings with the higher management in management review meetings and starting working on the same. This is step 11. Then in step 12, we have stage 1 registration audit, which would be our first internal audit. We'll work on the findings given by them in step 13. Then in step 14, we will have a stage 2 registration audit, which will be done to check if we have successfully initiated the corrective actions on the findings. And finally, task 15, in which we carry on the corrective actions for continual improvement of the QMS.